Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to add a bank account on Coinbase. In order to buy a particular assets on Coinbase, you'll need to first link a bank account or a method of payment. So keep watching the video till the end and follow the steps. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser of your choice and first make sure you sign into Coinbase account. Type in www.coinbase.com and press enter. Log into your Coinbase account by pressing on sign in at the upper right. In the login area, type in your email and your password. Once you log into your account, click on your profile icon at the upper right hand corner from the main home page. In the pop-up that appears, click Settings. From the options popping up at the very top, select Payment Methods. Click on Add a Payment Method. Select Credit or Debit Card option. Go ahead and type in the name on your card at the very top and then type in your card number associated with the bank. Once you do that, type in your expiration date, your CVC number, and your postal code. Finally, click on Add Card and you'll be able to add a bank account to Coinbase and use it as your payment method. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.